Ni kesengi daman ko kesengi wosa kenmo ya ki warep ko West Giant Hills. Hei wada sedang perchang wokit ya Chyrmit Lakadong na ki drone ha cenong muli West Giant Hill District. Ya Chyrmit Lakadong da jet hapok ke One District One Product ODOP yang ke Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade DPIIT yang ke Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Hei wa uni Chyrmit to wada rep du ha West Giant Hills. Wiman umar uwa kerpang uwa miat bahaha do uwa chalan ya o. Ka ODOP dekrek ke cirup wa ke AGNII mission, ka uman ke wina commission hapo ka Prime Minister Science Technology and Innovation Advisory Council, ko da jet ya Lakadong turmeric kam umar wa kerpang. Hei wadaw sedang pen MKam no ada ki drone wokit ya Chyrmit Lakadong, haki benta wa mlait de ki keri wolai. Ipen MKam daki drone daw yarap ko wo pelait ne lutput wo kit uba ya kimar iwa daw penduna le ye lutput ki wawantin. Hakayalang ne kesingi ka Sumita Daura Additional Secretary DPIIT da onggo wa ka ODOP to ko wina ka thongkrek kam u menteri rengba do keri hewan ne kesingi man go ka bentawan nyngkong wo penyo ya kilat kuluti kat kam istat ka jukat ni. U Chyrmit Lakadong to u wina ujak Chyrmit wa miat do ha ka perthai hewa MU nyaw haduk kende persen ukor komen, katwa kiwi kejak Chyrmit ki dule persen na duna. Bon ki kor komen ha u Chyrmit penman ya ki bru wa ki karkana udawa bahaki yauni ujai Chyrmit.
One District, One Product initiative is launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in 2019, District as Export Hub and the One District, One Product, in which all the districts of the country have identified a product for exports, scaling up manufacturing, improving quality. So as part of the ODOP, the One District, One Product, the Lakadong turmeric is a very important product which comes from the West Giant Hills district. The quality of the turmeric is world famous and it is in great demand. To give a leverage to the marketing of the turmeric, there were some buyer-seller meets which were facilitated by the Department of Industry and Invest India in Government of India, along with the Government of Meghalaya, the state government, and the local authorities. The self-help groups here and Padma Shri Trinity Saiho have been instrumental in taking this movement ahead. The entire coordination was with the self-help groups of the local village, and the farmers who've been growing turmeric, they've been helped by the local communities to grow more turmeric, and led by Trinity and her team, the women who work with her, the farmers who work with her. They have also been dealing with other issues such as insects attacking the crop and enhancing the productivity, enhancing the quality, organic turmeric to the table of the consumer. So in this context, the buyer, which was identified and facilitated with the help of Invest India from Kerala, has come in and purchased 13 tons of turmeric last year, and the procurement order has gone up to 25 tons this year. Now, when the procurement is done, more quantity has to be aggregated, has to be brought together. In order to do that, the local transportation may sometimes have issues because of the hilly terrain and the rainy climate, and that is how the idea of using drones under the Agni mission of Government of India was brought in, and the collaboration was brought in. The drones can pick up payloads of anything between 5 kg to 25 kg, and the next order, which is about 25 tons of turmeric, will be greatly helped with the help of drone intervention. The payment will be made by the buyer, the Kerala buyer, who's already purchased this turmeric, 25 tons this year, and he will be facilitating picking up the turmeric from the various points. The cost of transportation also comes down with the help of use of drones. So this is the initiative. To deliver the turmeric?
Right now, no, ma'am.
No, but they are likely to get it.
Likely to get it, ma'am, yes.
Right.
But these drone startups, ma'am, they're already working with some of the best e-commerce platforms for these deliveries.
And they'll be asked to transport the turmeric by the buyer.
Right, ma'am, that's correct.
The buyer will pay for it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, right.
So this could either be in the first mile aspect, ma'am, or the last mile, or an entire, ma'am. So they are also capable of doing 20 kilometers of delivery, ma'am. So long distance deliveries can be carried out high in as well as in high altitude areas as well, including Shillong as well as the Jaintia Hills. But higher than this, ma'am, when it goes to 15,000 feet plus, they've demonstrated their capability to do that, ma'am.
And what are you going to demonstrate today?
Ma'am, today a sample of turmeric, ma'am, in different configurations of the weight will be flown, as well as this is just, ma'am, to for the
So
banner.
this is the first shipment of 20,000 kg.
20,000.
So last time we did a flag off. We are doing a fly off this time.
So
Where
this 20,000 is going to go to Kerala.
yes,
That will be
And the drones will take it up to what point?
ma'am. Abhi to it is just a smaller demonstration. So to say.
Over the wires.
that 20 tons is carried by vehicle, not by drone.
Ma'am, hopefully someday in the future we will be there.
That is, we'll see how it can be by drone.
Yes, ma'am.
Manual, then it will go maybe, chara liang. Hay tai the depth of Chyrmit is 1 kilo. Half a move, let me tie there. Tie to rat in take how you go, sir. Kan te you find the drone in this, don't to move on there. It will come back, no? Now one yang sa sini. Ngot iduksa te, ngot nuksa la dakit idi ka tegi kari di kurot man di drone smart ki sir. Tang tip i perthai manu yo ikit kam te drone, tang wa penyo i ni ini ki drone le em ga capacity yang ti tu. Wo kit yo Chyrmit yang ilang ini nu thau le. Hai tai de thap Chyrmit ni. Mai ni te. Ka tai wa ra ge de thap Chyrmit ni tai. Em go ko wi ka kan ta klom, ka thap di tai de thap ti o her ka tu. Hai tai em Chyrmit. 3 kilo tai thap cầm tí san số san kilo em một tàu em có mấy cái mặt chị cả mấy cái drone có một kilo có kết áp san kilo tăng vào cái tiêu á quay thao có slam có tên này cái hati ấy phần năm cái tiêu đó
How much is the payload?
mình tiêu tiêu một kết áp thao kilo nó hết hàng cái droneมันกัดที่สุดกัดเตะรำมันก็จะเป็นโย่ใช่มันเป็นโย่3 ตัวอย่างว่าปุ้ยก็
What do you say? Can I fly?
Yeah, they say the turmeric is there. It will what to say have to be go down somewhere. No, it will come back.